student, how are you? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying the study. So student, today we will discuss about the chapter 14 of the English grammar, the tense. So student, the tense form a word takes to show the time it happens. So the tense shows the action when it is happened. It may be past, it may be present, it may be future. So student, remember this timeline. This timeline shows the action, circle shows the present, and the left, which is the line going on the left side, it shows the past action, and which is the line which is coming, which will be, that is future. So student, let's learn the tense in detail. Tenses are the three types. First is present tense. Second is past tense. Third is future tense. So student, present tense, it talks about the permanent action and the permanent habitual actions. And the past tense, it talks about the action which took place in the past time. And the future tense, it talks about the action which will take place in the time to come. So student, let's read these examples. I go to school every day. I went to school yesterday. I shall go to school tomorrow. So student, first sentence expresses an action which is take place in the present time. So it is in present tense. So second one, I went to school yesterday. This is the action which is took place in the past time. So that is in past tense. So the second, I shall go to school tomorrow. It is the action which will be take place in the coming time. So it is future tense. Next one, look at, I do my homework daily. I did my homework yesterday. I will do my homework tomorrow. So student, first one is that the action which is going on, and which is habitual truth and the habitual action. So it is present tense. The action which expresses the time, past time, it is in past tense. And third one is, I will do my homework tomorrow. So it is the action which will be take place in the time to come. So that is future tense. For example, I want to give another example. For example, I sent video yesterday to you. So you watch this video. That is past time. This is past tense. And you are watching my video. So that is present. That is continue going on. So that is present tense. And you will be watch my video. Next video that will be coming. So that is future tense. So let's read about the tenses. Student, to make the concept clear, look at this picture. This picture is of Rahul. So this shows the past of the Rahul, past picture of the Rahul. This shows the present picture of the Rahul, and this shows the future picture of this Rahul. Rahul is a good boy. That is present. Rahul was a cute baby. So that is past time. That is come in past tense. And Rahul will be like his father in future. So that is future time. So it's come in future tense. That image shows the form of the tense: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Student, let us read the simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense form of the verb be, do, and have. So firstly, let's read the verb be. The simple present tense, I we use was, with we use were, with you we use were, with he, she, it we use was, with they we use were. So in future tense, simple future tense, we were we use, with I we use will, we shall be, with we will use will be, shall be, with he, she, it, they we will use will be. That is the form of the be verb of the present, simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Fill in the blanks with different form of be verb as directed. As you know that in be verb, in present is am, are, in past was, were, in future will be and or shall be. So you already know that if the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb also be singular, and if the subject in a sentence is plural, the verb also be plural. So as a student, I plan good in studies. So we have to put up here according to simple past tense. In simple past tense, we use was and were. In be verb, so with I we use was here. I was good in study. Second sentence, you blank in Bhopal next week. Simple future tense. So say in simple future tense, be verb is will be and shall be. So with the you we use will. You will be in Bhopal next week. So in third, I blank Rajiv's best friend. Simple present tense. So in simple present tense, we use be verb is am, are. So with I we use am. I am Rajiv's best friend. So I hope the concept have cleared. So students, watch the video.